Hello guys, let me share to you my life as a married. Okay, let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a happy newlywed in the city of Cebu. They love each other like no one can ever destroy their relationship. After a years, they luckily have one child. He is a boy. A boy was a family-oriented, lovable, innocent, and kind. Actually, their child is very gifted. He has everything that we desire. Until his dad started to hang out with other girls and cheated her wife. But the wife is so clever. He had recognized that something's changed in her husband. Every day he came late at night in their home. With that, she began spying his husband until she confirmed that she was betrayed. Her husband have cheated. He has other girl to live in a hotel. As a result, they've got a divorce, and no one of them ever met after the big scene occurred. The child chose to came along with his mother, and that's the end of the story. Thank you for watching.